Alright, so the first question we have for our mixed velocity questions is: a man jumps from a height of 12 meters above the ground and falls freely and reaches the ground 3 seconds later. The question is, what is the average speed of the man? And so the equation we're going to use for these problems is always going to be d equals vt. Okay, so we're going to find what we have in here and then what we don't have. So first off, he jumps from a height of 12 meters. So 12 meters is just a distance, so I'm going to label that with d. You should do that on your own paper. Okay, falls freely and reaches the ground 3 seconds later. So 3 seconds, that's a time, so I'm going to label that with t. And then I'm going to go ahead and plug this in and start solving the equation. So I've got d equals vt. Okay, and my d distance is 12 meters, so I'm going to write 12 meters, 12m. And then I don't know what v is yet because all I've labeled here is t, so I'm going to write v and times 3 seconds. Alright, so 12 meters equals v times 3 seconds. So let's rewrite that up here. 12 meters equals v times 3 seconds. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave that as an s for seconds, is I need to get this v by itself so I can figure out what it is. So I'm actually going to divide 3 on both sides. Divide both sides by 3 seconds. Okay? So when I divide this side, so 3 divided by 3 seconds, 3 seconds and 3 seconds cancels out. The units are the same, the numbers are the same. So all we're left over on this side is v. So that's v on that side of the equation. And then here we have 12 meters divided by 3 seconds. Now I know 12 divided by 3 fits into 12 4 times, so I'm left with 4. Now the units are important here. We've got meters up here, we've got seconds down here, so we're going to keep that 4 meters per second. So 4 and then meters per second, and that equals v, which is my velocity. As long as you keep the units in there, you'll get the correct answer with the correct units at the end.